Are you interested in learning how to create textures and materials for 3D objects and becoming adept at creating and customizing textures using Blender's node system? Hi guys, my name is Joe and I am the tutor for this course on learning how to create procedural materials using Blender. Procedural means to create something that is fully customizable, giving you the freedom to make changes as you see fit. With procedural materials, you can create an almost limitless supply of different textures and materials using Blender's node system, a powerful set of tools that allows you to create almost any texture that you desire. Meaning that by using this node system, there really is no limit to the number of materials that you can create. Who is this course for? This course is for users of Blender of varying levels who want to begin learning about the process of applying materials to objects from the ground up. It is also for those who want to improve their existing workflow for material application by making their textures procedural. So what are the requirements for this course? Well, for this course there are no requirements other than having the latest version of Blender installed on your device. How is the course structured? In this course we start from the very beginning, learning how materials work at a fundamental level. We look at how to apply materials to objects, what the relationship between objects and materials are, and the different ways in which we can apply our materials. Next we move on to the shader editor, which is where we will be spending most of our time, learning about the node system, which will allow us to create our limitless supply of textures and materials. We overview the basics of the node system and what the different categories of nodes are and how they might be used with our textures. Once we have familiarized ourselves with the node editor and how it works, we then move on to using the different nodes themselves and begin creating our procedural textures. In particular, we focus on using math nodes early on to create vector-based shapes that are limitless in terms of their scope and resolution. But as we progress through the course, more and more nodes will be introduced to us. But each node that is introduced will be covered in sufficient detail so that you will know the where, when and how to use that node. We make sure that you are confident in using a node before moving on to the next one. And we use nodes on multiple occasions for different textures to enhance your practice and understanding of those nodes. Trust me, by the end of this course, not only will you be able to understand exactly what the individual nodes are going to be used for your texture, but you will also be able to structure your entire node trees with full confidence in your ability to create any texture that you wish. Our goal is to make sure that you become a master at using Blender's node system to create any material and texture that you desire. So join me now in learning how to create procedural textures and materials using the node system in Blender.